Understanding your vehicle's health is crucial, not only for ensuring it runs smoothly, but also for preventing costly repairs down the line. An OBD2 scanner is an indispensable tool that empowers car owners to diagnose issues before they escalate, saving both time and money in the long run. We've done the research and found the best OBD2 scanners for you, saving you time and effort. If you're interested in any of these products, you can find the links in the description below. So, let's get started. The first on our list is the Inova 6100P. Inova Electronics, America's #1 diagnostic tool brand, renowned for its commitment to innovation and quality, brings us the Inova 6100P, a state-of-the-art OBD2 scanner designed to address the diagnostic needs of modern vehicles. This tool goes beyond simple code reading, offering in-depth analysis for engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission systems, making it a perfect fit for popular U.S. car brands such as Ford, Dodge, and GM. Equipped with advanced features, the 6100P allows for easy identification of issues related to critical safety systems, including traction, brakes, and airbags. This capability is crucial for maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle, ensuring you can drive with confidence. Additionally, it serves as your vehicle's health monitor, enabling oil change procedures, mileage resets, and monitoring oil level and life status, catering to most 1996 and newer OBD2 vehicles. The 6100P also excels in battery and alternator performance assessments for a variety of vehicles, including hybrids and light trucks. This feature is invaluable for pinpointing startup problems, especially under extreme weather conditions. Moreover, the scanner's code severity levels feature advises you on the urgency of detected issues, helping to prioritize repairs and maintain vehicle safety. For enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Inova 6100P offers live data viewing, including RPM, speed, and oil temperature, allowing for a more accurate diagnosis and efficient troubleshooting. Its data logging functionality also enables you to record and share diagnostic information with mechanics, enhancing the repair process. The second on our list is the OBDLink MX Plus. This cutting-edge wireless OBD adapter transforms your iPhone, iPad, or Android device into a professional-grade diagnostic scan tool, trip computer, and real-time performance monitor capable of accessing a wide range of manufacturer-specific vehicle data. Setting a new standard in the field, the OBDLink MX Plus distinguishes itself as faster, more reliable, and richer in features compared to its predecessors. A standout feature of the MX Plus is its exclusive support for proprietary GM LAN and Ford MS-CAN vehicle networks. This unique capability grants access to an extensive array of additional ECUs and thousands of manufacturer-specific trouble codes and parameters. This includes critical systems such as ABS, SRS, and transmission temperature, offering a level of diagnostic depth unmatched by any other wireless iOS-compatible scan tool on the market. Moreover, the OBDLink MX Plus excels in performance, delivering up to 4 times more data samples per second than its closest competitor. This remarkable speed ensures smoother gauges and graphs and the ability to monitor multiple parameters simultaneously, offering a comprehensive view of your vehicle's performance in real time. Safety and convenience are integral to the design of the MX Plus. It features hacker-proof wireless security, overvoltage, load dump protection, and an ultra-low current sleep mode. It makes it safe to leave plugged into your vehicle without risking battery drain or unauthorized access. The third on our list is the Foxwell NT630 This advanced diagnostic tool from Foxwell stands as a premier choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering specialized capabilities beyond the standard OBD2 scanner. The NT630 is specifically designed to address the complexities of the ABS, SRS, and SAS systems, making it a comprehensive tool for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. One of the hallmark features of the NT630 is its ABS bleeding scan tool functionality. This feature is crucial for vehicles experiencing a slowly sinking or loosening brake pedal, often caused by air trapped in the ABS. By automatically bleeding the brake system, the NT630 Plus restores the brake pedal to its normal state, ensuring optimal braking performance. However, it's important to note that this function is compatible with a limited range of vehicle models. The diagnostic prowess of the NT630 Plus extends to full functionalities for the ABS and SRS systems, including reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data streams, and turning off indicator lights. Additionally, it offers comprehensive OBD2 functions, like code reading, live data, and more, providing a detailed overview of your vehicle's health. A significant upgrade to the NT630 Plus is the inclusion of 5 reset functions: ABS bleed, SRS, SAS, oil, and EPB, with the latter 2 being recent additions. These reset capabilities allow for tailored maintenance and repairs, such as resetting the oil light after changes and adjusting the EPB after brake pad replacements. The NT630 Plus also features bidirectional control tests for the ABS and SRS systems, enabling active testing of components like ABS motors and actuators. The fourth on our list is the Launch CRP123X Elite. The Launch CRP123X Elite emerges as a remarkable upgrade in the realm of OBD2 scanners, offering a suite of new functionalities designed to enhance your vehicle diagnostic experience. This advanced tool not only aids in diagnosing systems like transmission, ABS, SRS airbag, and the engine, but also introduces 3 newly added reset functions for 2024: throttle adaptation, oil reset, and SAS reset. These features allow for a deeper, more accurate diagnosis before you ever need to visit a mechanic, providing rapid, precise data to address any issues. With the CRP123X Elite, confusion over warning lights is a thing of the past. This scanner precisely identifies problem components, speeding up the diagnostic process and helping turn off warning lights after the problem is resolved. It empowers you to gain deeper insights into your vehicle's health and tackle repairs on your own. A standout feature of the CRP123X Elite is its ability to display live data across various parameters, such as oil temperature, pressure, transmission temperature, engine speed, and coolant temperature. This real-time data, which can be viewed in single or multi-graph formats, enables car owners to easily identify abnormalities and make informed decisions about auto part replacements. Furthermore, the Code Search and DTC library provide extensive information, simplifying the troubleshooting process. Equipped with a new processor and running on Android 7.0, the CRP123X Elite boasts a 5-inch touchscreen display, 16 GB of memory, and a 6100 mAh rechargeable battery. The last on our list is the ANSEL AD310. The ANSEL AD310, affectionately known as the Cell Doctor, stands out in the crowded field of OBD2 scanners. It's designed to quickly unravel the mystery behind the check engine light, offering users straightforward capabilities to read and clear trouble codes, alongside accessing live data, freeze-frame information, and essential vehicle details. Crafted for durability and ease of use, the AD310 features a robust design complemented by a thick, flexible cable, ensuring it can withstand the typical knocks and drops of garage life. Its compact size and lightweight make it exceptionally portable, while the intuitive interface, with clearly labeled buttons and a large screen, ensures seamless navigation and a clear display of diagnostic results. Performance-wise, the AD310 shines with its quick and accurate diagnostics, helping both car owners and mechanics understand a vehicle's health. It eliminates the need for external batteries or chargers by powering directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, making it a convenient tool for anyone looking to diagnose issues promptly. Compatibility is a strong suit of the AD310, supporting all OBD2 protocols and a wide range of vehicles from the US, Europe, and Asia. This inclusivity ensures that it works with a broad spectrum of cars, light trucks, and SUVs, making it a versatile tool for diverse automotive diagnostic needs. And that wraps up our list of the best OBD2 scanners. We hope you found the perfect match for your diagnostic needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this one. Until next time, take care.